As this is a fuse tester box design, people often want to try and do something that reflects the tools. To draw your design on the top, select face, hover near the edge, and when it turns turquoise, click. The whole face is now selected. Right click the mouse, new sketch. Let's call this spanner. Change the work plane to top of block, and I have to call it 2 because I've done it before, and tip it up with the white L. To draw a spanner, I'd be tempted to draw a mid-sized circle, a couple of lines coming through it. Now don't try and use the edge, start well inside the circle, draw a couple of straight lines, again go inside the circle, and don't be afraid to then trim it. Trim the tiny bits that you don't want. It's a long way, this drawing, so I can roll the ball on the mouse and zoom it in. I can also use these 4 arrow corners to center it better for me. Doesn't look much like a spanner. So now, if I was to put a line going in there, a line going to there, a line coming back, and again, I'm not worried about touching the edge, I'm deliberately going outside, trim, possibly a bit better. Put it in view isometric. That's a nice way of seeing that when you extrude, you've done it right. Gives you validation that you're doing the drawing and it is going to extrude it successfully. Say OK. Go up to File, Save Copy As. The more versions you have, the better. It's shown how much work you've done. Don't save it every time, save copy as.